Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called For What It's Worth, written by a gentleman named Stephen Stills, made famous by Buffalo Springfield. Released in December 1966, it peaked at number 7 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, 4 very easy chords to play in this song. Let's look at them now. First chord is an E major chord. There's an A sus2. There's a D chord. And finally, there's an A major chord. Let's look at that again. E major chord. A sus2, a D chord, and an A major chord. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming to this great song. Okay, so for my cover of this song, I use a capo on the 1st fret. I sing a little higher, and I prefer that key when I sing. You might also be thinking to yourself, well, why even bother having an A sus2 and an A major chord? They're fairly close. Why even bother? Both add their own element to this song, which really works. The A sus2 is primarily used during the verse, and the A major chord is used primarily during the chorus. Let's take a look now and go through the chords themselves and the chord progression. See if you can follow along. Starts the chorus with the E major chord. Something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. It's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. That's basically it. That's the chord progression and strumming technique through the entire song. For my cover, I do palm it on the last verse of the song. So for those of you that don't know what that means, palming is just when you take the fattier tissue of your hand here and you basically mute the strings. It creates this effect. There it is. You don't have to do that. You can just strum the chords all the way through. That's perfectly acceptable. Okay, as always, we're going to mic it up, and I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Yeah. No. Something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. It's time we stop, children. What's the sound? Everybody look what's going down. This battle line's being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their mind. much resistance from behind. You've got to stop. Hey, what's the sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the streets, singing songs, carrying signs, mostly saying hooray. For our side, you've got to stop. Hey, what's the sound? Everybody look what's going down. What's going down? What's going down? Paranoia strikes deep into your world, it will creep. Starts with always being afraid. Step out of line, may come take you away. You've got to stop. Baby, what's the sound? Everybody look what's going down. What's going down? What's going down? You've got to stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What's going down? What's going down? What's going down? And there you have it, For What It's Worth, written by Stephen Stills and made famous by Buffalo Springfield. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.